Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to auto suspend tabs after some time using Google Chrome extension. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Google and write the Marvellous Suspender, press enter. So this is Chrome Web Store link, so click on it. So by using this Google Chrome add-on, you can suspend tab auto, or if you want you can suspend tab manually, and then you see add to Chrome button, so click on it, and then you see add extension, so again click on it, and then you see this add-on has been added to Google Chrome. So we are in dashboard. On top you see Chrome extension icon, so click on it, and then you see Marvellous Suspender, pin it. On top you see icon. So we are in setting, and then you see automatic tab suspension. So you can auto suspend tabs after you see drop down. So you can select time according to your requirement, and then you see never suspend pin tabs. You see multiple option, and then you see never suspend active tab in each window, or never suspend tabs that are playing audio, and scroll down you see multiple option, and then you see suspending tabs, auto unsuspend tab when it is viewed, and then you see apply Chrome built-in memory saving when suspending. So you can select option according to your requirement, and then you see theme style, and then you see screen capturing disable. So you see multiple option. So first we are going to suspend manually. Now go to website. On top you see icon, so click on it, and then you see suspend this tab now, so click on it. Now this tab suspended. If you want to refresh or reload, Control Shift S, or you can refresh it. Now you see open again. Now we are going to auto suspend tab. Now you see icon, so click on it, and then you see settings, so click on it. So open setting again, and then we are going to set time 20 seconds. Now saving. So this tab suspend after 20 seconds auto. Now we are waiting. Now you see tab suspended auto after 20 seconds. Now back to setting, and then scroll down, you see option suspending tabs, auto unsuspend tab when it is view, enable this option. So when we are open unsuspend tab, then reload page auto. Now go to, now you see refresh page auto. Now back to setting. So you can do setting according to your requirement, and you can set timing for suspended tab according to your requirement. So we set 1 hour, and then you see multiple option session management. Now you see multiple option keyboard, so you can change shortcut for keyboard according to your requirement. So in this way you can auto suspend tabs after some time. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.